going to first thing to open Canva, then I create a new design, and then since my post is an Instagram post, I'm going to say maybe search here Instagram, and then I'm going to choose this design. So I'm going to create a new Instagram post. So first I'm going to use I'm going to choose my template. So basically I can search here for the template which I prefer. I'd say maybe cozy coffee template. Then I search for the results. And then I'm going to choose the design which you think is best or which you prefer. So for me, I'm going to go for this template here. So I think this template fits the Helua coffee brand. So what I'll do first of all is maybe change this background image. So I can say delete background like that, and then I search for a new template. Let's say coffee. Then I'm going to search. Now I'm replacing the main image with this beautiful image of a person holding a coffee cup here. Then size it. Now I've updated the title to Helua Coffee, and then maybe adding some more details here like location, and putting a call to action at the bottom. So something I could say something like um, open every day from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. located in, let's say, maybe Westlands, Nairobi. So yeah, that's a typical Instagram post for Helua coffee. And maybe if you can do some little adjustments, but I find mine to be okay. So now you have to download it as a PNG file. Save it to my PC. So now here we have, that's the full process for creating a promotional Instagram post for Helua Coffee in Canva. Thank you.